Hello, I am Dr. Balasubramanian Tyagarajan. Today, I am going to demonstrate how to upload teaching material into a Google Classroom. Now, as a first step, let us open the classroom. My classroom is already opened, and now there is something called a create button here. As soon as you get into the classroom, you will be shown the entry page. This is the stream page. Then the next tab is the classwork tab. So since we need to upload teaching material into Google Classroom to enable the students to use the same, you need to go to the tab called classwork. Now here you will be given the option of creating classwork material. Let us hope you are seeing this button, otherwise I will enlarge and show you. So now here there's something called create. So this button is the one that we are interested in today. So on clicking this button, it will open up a few interesting submenu. Let me zoom out. So now I'm going to click this create button with a plus and see what it gives me. So now on clicking this create button, it gives me an option to create an assignment. And then it gives me an option to create a quiz assignment, and then it also gives me option of creating a question assignment. It also gives me an option of creating a learning material. Then on clicking this reuse post, I can always reuse something which is already available inside the classroom. Some learning resource which has already been posted, which has already been in use inside the classroom, can be reused for this assignment or lesson also. The last but not the least is the topic. So it always makes sense to arrange all your learning material topic wise. So for example, here you see there's a topic called autology. So all the assignments and all the materials pertaining to this topic autology will be listed here. So in the first place, it really makes sense to create what topic, under which topic your learning resource is going to be listed. So that will help the student to easily migrate or navigate your classroom and go to the particular learning resource. So first thing we'll do is, first we will create grossly a topic. So I'll create a topic called laryngology. It's actually, being a doctor, being an otolaryngologist, I feel that I'm more comfortable in using my terminology. So I want to create a topic called laryngology, where we will list all the resources which you are going to upload pertaining to this topic under this heading. So let me click add. So on adding, what happens is the topic has been added here. So on adding this, you will see the topic here, and this all the topics which you want to be listed under laryngology will be listed here. So you see 3 dots here. Just click here. You have the choice of renaming it, you have the choice of deleting it, and you also have the choice of copying the link. So we will find out how to use this copy link facility during our later tutorial. Now you can also prefer to move this laryngology down below rhinology if you want. So what happens? On clicking the move down button, it has moved down. Now see what happens. Either you can move up or you can move down. So we have moved this topic down. Supposing you want to move it up, just click move it up. The topic moves up. So now, as of now, we have learned how to create a topic title, topic. And now let us go to the second step. We are going to upload some learning material. For any learning material, we need to give out a title. For example, let me see what learning material I have offhand here. So I have something called, what is this? Let me see what. Okay, I can use that. So now I'm going to create a learning material on use of hearing aids. So I always believe in attracting the students using a emoji. There are n number of free emoji sites available which dishes out emojis free of cost. So I will take you on to such a site known as emojis. I want to search for an emoji. So what I want to upload is a small book. So I will search for an emoji which resembles a book. I'll go to home. The site is low, that is why. Let me say I will do it here. Let's say I will want to search a emoji for books. Yeah, I am having. So it's a green book or a blue book. Let me choose this blue book. So here it says click emoji to copy. So I'll just click emoji and then I copy the emoji. Now it has been copied to my temporary memory, or rather it's called clipboard. So now it's here. Just on right clicking you can paste the emoji. So nicely the emoji has been pasted. Now next to the emoji we will type the title of the resource of the books. So now we will write a short description. So this is briefly what I want to do. And now here you get an add button. So you are going to add a resource. So you need to click add button. Supposing you have the resources uploaded to the Google Drive, you can go to the Google Drive and point the resource, namely the book or whichever thing you want. Just click on clicking there. It will take you to the Google Drive. You can always see I am clicking. It takes me to the Google Drive. So it will say if it can identify the file which I have uploaded there, it will be showing under recent. I can click and I can attach it, or I can give out a link for the file. I can upload the file to any file sharing sites like Dropbox or Box and give out a link for the file. Just if I click the link, I can give out the link for the file, and then I can choose to upload the file physically. I can choose to upload the file physically. So I'm going to upload the file physically. What I'm going to do is, still you can see when I choose to upload, it takes me to my Google Drive. So all the files pertaining to the Google Classroom will be stored only in the Google Drive. So now I need to browse for the file which I am going to upload. So for example, this is the file which I am carrying it, which I am going to use for today's session. So the file has been uploaded. So the file is there uploaded, and now after uploading it shows me it's a PDF and the file has been uploaded. Now what we have, the other options include whom I want that resource to be shared with. So I can choose, by default it says all students. I can choose all students, or I can, by clicking the down arrow, it will show me all the other menus. So since this class has only one student, there's only one student listed here. So if there are many students, almost all of them will be listed here, and you can choose to whom the resource should be delivered. So then if you choose a student, it will be delivered to that student, or you have the option of grouping those students subject wise, and you can topic wise, and you can deliver those topics to the particular group. Even that option is available. So this is where you can choose whom to deliver. Supposing here, if you create the resource for the same class, it will be a physics resource. You want only the physics students to view it. So you can form a group, that I will discuss how to form a student group within your classroom. So it will be shown here. If you have a student group, it will be shown here. So by clicking the down arrow, you can choose the group for whom this resource is meant. And now next comes, where you want to, under which topic you want the uploaded resource to be listed. So here you have the option of allowing it as no topic. If you say it's no topic, then it won't be listed under any topic, it will be shown as a miscellaneous resource. Or now you have the option of creating a topic. If you want, you can create a topic as I showed you in the initial stages of today's demonstration. You can create a topic if you want. If you find that available topics here is not appropriate for your resource to be listed under, and then since we have already created our topic, so we have the topic available here, you just choose ontology to be listed here. And now I need you to just pay a little bit of extra attention now. The entire thing, Google Classroom says it has been saved. Now, if you want this resource to be immediately available to the students, you can click this post. I repeat again, if you want this resource to be immediately available to the students, you can click the post button, then it will be posted. Or if you want this resource to be available at a future date, at this assigned date and time, you just click here. You can schedule. So you can schedule your date, you can schedule the time at which this resource should be displayed. This will help you to create assignments and deliver to the students at an appropriate date and time, at a scheduled date and time. So supposing you are giving out a test, if you are giving out a multiple choice test, or if you are going to schedule an exam, you can use the Google Classroom and you can use this material upload facility. You can use this scheduler to schedule your resource to be available to the students or delivered to the student at the chosen date and chosen time. So now let us give out a cancel, because we don't want to schedule it, we want to post it immediately. What are the other options which are available under post? You can schedule this post, or you can save the same thing as draft. If you save the same thing as draft, what happens is it won't be shown to the students, but of course it will be visible inside your in your dashboard and it will be shown as a draft. So when you have not completed creating this material, you can always prefer to save the material as a draft, and say sometime later, say a day or two after, you can always get back to your dashboard, open the draft, edit it and complete the process and post. So your Google Classroom also allows you to work in a piecemeal manner, so that you can do something now and then you save the draft. You need not post it immediately. You can get back later, say maybe a day or two later, and redo the correct, re-edit, add something more, and then you can post. Supposing you are not happy with the material you are going to give out to the students, you can always discard. You can initially, when you start, it will be saved as draft. You need not press any save buttons. You can see as soon as you started typing, it would say saved. So when it says saved, it will be in the draft. It will be saved as draft. It won't be saved as a post. Students won't be able to see unless and until you click this post button. Student won't be able to see this resource at all. So you have the choice of discarding the drafts. If suppose you click discard draft, automatically your resource will get deleted. Now I am going to click the post. So I am posting. So what happens? So now you see the resource has been posted under ontology. See here, it gives a nice emoji informing the student that a book has been posted, and then on clicking there, it displays, in fact it creates a small window, it displays the book. See, nicely it is displayed. If on clicking the view material, the student will be able to view the material, and then the student can comment on the material. And then here next to the your post, you have 3 dots. You can still edit your already posted material. You can still edit the already posted material. You can delete this already posted material by clicking at the 3 buttons here, or you can copy the link of this material and you can use the same link for this resource in your further teaching sessions which you are going to have inside your Google Classroom. So now we have seen how we are going to upload a text material inside your Google Classroom. Now let me show you. So this is a class. So just for curiosity, I'm going to show you the stream tab. The stream tab is listing that one new material has been added and it is a book. I always advise you to go for an emoji right in front of the title so that the student just by the look of it will know a book has been posted. And then in the classwork window, I have already shown you these things are neatly listed under different topics. Now you can create a video material, a YouTube. You can post a YouTube video. If you have a YouTube channel and if you want to post a video inside the YouTube, you can always go to the YouTube. You can do a YouTube search. For example, I'll just do a search in my name, see what it delivers. So here it shows video lectures by me. So what I will do is I will choose this video lecture to be displayed. I'll just click the video lecture and add. Or if you definitely know the URL of your lecture, you can paste the URL. Supposing you know the link, universal resource locator link of your video, we can copy and paste here, or you can search for your video based on the topic. So I thought I will go ahead and do, say maybe we will embed this facial nerve paralysis. This is a video lecture I want to add here. And now I need to give out a title. So I will give you a facial nerve paralysis, the video lecture. So I want your students also to know that it's a video. So I thought I will add a emoji. So I'm going to try to say emoji for video. So now, yeah, there is a image for a video. Here, this is a clapper, this is a video cassette. So here, let me choose this emoji. Now, this video cassette emoji, let me copy it. So I'll choose this one, a television emoji, since it's going to be a video. And then I will click on this emoji to copy. So I will click here to copy. It has been copied. Now what I will do, in front of this topic, I will right click and give a paste. And I will delete that emoji. And then I will delete this one also, retain the TV. Now what we have managed to add a video lecture inside your classroom. But let me just remind you that these video lectures should already have been uploaded by you into your YouTube channel. Otherwise, you won't be able to directly upload the entire video into your classroom. You can only upload these videos to YouTube, and then you can just give out the link from on clicking the create new topic. So now this topic is again pertaining to the year. So I will choose autology. Then I want to deliver the entire stuff to the students. I don't want to schedule it. I don't want to save it as a draft because I feel I have completed my post. So I will go ahead and post this resource. So let me see how my resource looks under classwork. This is the resource will be there in the classwork. And now here you see, here it is listed here. You see, it is nicely, the emoji tells you that it is going to be a video. Then on clicking this view material, so you can go ahead, the entire class will open. And that's all for the day. Thank you for your patient listening.